Hello, everyone, and welcome to Useful Words. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of these amazing words. Let's start with on practice. This means having a high level of skill and experience in our chosen field. When we practice, we're able to achieve greatness and make a positive impact on the tapestry of life. I'm proficient means being highly skilled and competent in our work. When we're proficient, we're able to achieve our goals with greater ease and success, contributing to the symphony of achievements. I'm phenomenal means being truly exceptional in every way. When we're phenomenal, we're able to inspire awe and admiration in those around us and are able to achieve great things that reverberate through the halls of greatness. I'm persistent means having the tenacity and the perseverance to keep going even in the face of obstacles. When we're perseverant, we're able to achieve our goals with greater success and leave an in-depth mark on the fabric of existence. I'm polite means being courteous and respectful in the interactions with others. When we're polite, we're able to create a positive relationships and contribute to the harmony and unity of the collective composition. I'm praiseworthy means being deserving and praise of recognition. When we're praiseworthy, we're able to inspire others with our achievements and make a lasting impact on the grand stage of life. I'm pioneering means being a trailblazer and an innovator in our field. When we're pioneering, we're able to create new opportunities and pioneer a better future for all. I'm pleasant means being friendly and approachable in our interactions with others. When we're pleasant, we're able to create positive relationships and spread joy throughout the vibrancy and symphony of existence. I'm polished means being and having a refined, sophisticated approach to our work. When we're polished, we're able to achieve greatness and contribute to the everlasting brilliance of creation. I'm powerful means having the strength and authority to achieve our goals. When we're powerful, we're able to make a positive impact on the cosmic stage and help shape a more harmonious masterpiece. I'm preferable means being the preferred choice in our fields. When we're preferable, we're able to create greater success and be cherished part of the harmonious ensemble. I'm preferred means being the preferred choice of others. When we're preferred, we're able to create a positive relationships and contribute to the symphony and unity of togetherness. I'm premium means having a high quality and value. When we're premium, we're able to achieve our goals and add to a touch of brilliance of the masterpiece of life. I'm prepared means having and being ready equipped to handle any situation. And when we're prepared, we're able to achieve our goals with greater success and add to the unique harmony of the grand symphony. And I'm prestigious means having a high level of respect and admiration in our fields. And when we're prestigious, we're able to inspire others and achieve and contribute to the grand tapestry of life. I'm privileged means having a special advantage and opportunities. And when we're privileged, we're able to create a greater success and contribute to the symphony of abundance and opportunities. I'm professional means having a high level of expertise and excellence in our work. When we're professional, we're able to create a more success and driving chorus. I'm profitable means being able to generate financial success and prosperity. When we're profitable, we're able to create a more prosperous and abundant life. I'm promising means having great potential and the ability to achieve greatness. When we're promising, we're able to inspire hope and contribute to the unfolding masterpiece of possibilities. I'm proper means having a correct and appropriate approach to our work. When we're proper, we're able to achieve success and greatness, ease and efficiency, and add precision to the symphony of existence. I'm purposeful means having a clear and meaningful goal in our lives. When we're purposeful, we're able to achieve greatness and contribute to the symphony of purpose and create a more fulfilling and meaningful melody. So there you have it. A set of words that can help all of us achieve greatness and success in our lives by harmonying together and enjoying ourselves. I'm Leroy Glover, and I want to thank you for your attention and for visiting Useful Words. Remember, you have the power to achieve your dreams and to make a positive impact on the existence of life. Keep embracing these words and make them guide you in your journey to personal growth and contribution. Together, let's create a symphony of greatness and inspire others and leave an unforgettable melody of impact. Thank you, and may your life be filled with harmonious achievements and resonating joy.